Today we will see how we can automate Selenium plus TestNG plus Java framework on browser stack. I think will be comfortable using browser stack and you know what is browser stack is. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to dash or go on to automate section. There you will see get started for free. If you have not made your account, you can make the account. Then somehow your browser will look like this. On the automate, it will look like this. It will take some time to load, but yeah, after some time it would look like this. And yeah, here you will can see your builds, number of builds that are going on. So I have did couple of builds here, and some most of them failed because I was testing some functionalities. But today I am going to show you what I'm going to automate. So there is a website known as automation exercise, automationexercise.com. I am going to automate the login and sign up process in this website. So uh, I'm going to show you what my code is. So this is my POM XML file, and I expect you also make the you know about the POM XML file, and this is your test-ng file. So POM XML file, you have to add one of your browser stack. You have to import the dependency of your browser stack in your POM XML file. And at the last of these things, there is one more thing which you have to add is your in your Apache Maven plugin, or your Maven, or you can say your Maven Surefire plugin, you can add your test.ng XML file in your in the suite XML, and you have to put this arg line. I have attached my code below in the GitHub, and you will be able to see in the short period of time. Okay. Uh, Next comes our browser stack manager file. This is the main file in this project. This browser stack manager is responsible for creating WebDriver instance. So when your code will automate on the on browser stack web, you will be able to see this. Next comes our homepage Java, which is the homepage of the automation exercise website, and here I have um, listed down all the selectors which will be taking the process forward. Then comes my test-base.java, which is the base test, which is the base of the test for the test case. And finally, which the website finally which I'm testing is the login test.java file, followed by the browser stack YAML file. You have to add your username, your access key, which I have blurred right now. You can find it on your own. Then comes all of the dependencies of what you have to test. So here I'm testing on Windows 11. I'm using the Chrome and the latest version of the Chrome. Also, you should make your latest version for the Chrome. Okay. And here are the arguments and the preferences that I have set up. Basically, this is for disabling the pop-ups on the browser. Now we'll quickly show you how you can run the automation. So as soon as you click on the pom.xml file, you have to right click on it, click it on run as, and first click on Maven claim. So you will see that if there is any console errors or any, you have to see if there are any build errors or not. You can see there is a build success message, and again you have to click on run as and then Maven test. You will see that the compiler is started running. I will just expand it a bit. So it will take some time to run, and you can see on your uh, on the browser stack automate website that the build is being running. So it will take some time, 1 or 2 minutes, and at final stage you will see the results like this one below. So we'll pause it for now, and when the results are over I will show it to you. So as you can see, the build has been success, and all the test cases have been successfully run. And here you can see your results. So it would take a minute or two to show the test cases results. So yeah, three test cases results has been going on. The first is from the navigate to the form navigation. Second is the login with invalid details and login with the valid details. Here when you click it on the process, you will see the you will click it on the each test case, you will see the video playing, and yes, you can see your video getting played, and you will get to see how the things have been working on. So yeah, this was a short video for browser stack with TestNG and Selenium. Hope you like the video.